Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of In the Kitchen with Cece. On the menu today, we'll be cooking some Calaloo and Saltfish dish. This is the Calaloo washed, cleaned, and cut up. And on the side here is what I'm gonna throw away. I forgot to show you guys before I cut it up. But let's get straight into it. I have the saltfish boiling to get it tenderized, as well as to get rid of some of the saltiness. And for the veggies, we have onions, we have thyme, tomatoes, carrot, and what else we have here? I think that's it. Oh, scotch bonnet pepper. Can't forget the scotch bonnet pepper to give it some flavor and spiciness. Yes. So right now we're just cooking up the veggies, everything except the carrots. We're gonna add that a little bit later. Okay guys, in case you're not familiar with cooking the saltfish, once you boil the saltfish, you're gonna let it cool down for a few minutes, and then we're gonna clean it. We clean it by deboning the saltfish, as well as removing the skin and scales off the saltfish. At this point, we're going to go ahead and add the saltfish to the pot, and we're going to cook this down for a few minutes as well. Then we're going to go ahead and add the star of the dish. We're going to add the Calaloo, and this looks like a lot of Calaloo. It was actually a lot of Calaloo, like way more than the ratio of the saltfish, which I don't recommend. I definitely needed a little bit more saltfish to make this dish much better, but stay tuned and see how I transformed it, because it looked good, it tastes good, everything was yummy. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our seasoning. I'm adding cayenne pepper, red pepper flakes, sea salt, complete seasoning, garlic powder, and what else did I put in this? I think that's it, but whatever seasoning you like, whatever seasoning you use to season your chicken, you could go ahead and use that. Just be creative and add your seasoning for the flavor that you want, because Calaloo is just a veggie and it's just gonna take on whatever flavor you give it. That's why you add the saltfish and such and such. So just nice up the thing and make it taste good. I end up doing some yellow rice with this meal. The traditional meal is Calaloo and saltfish with white rice, or with boil up, which is banana, dumpling, Irish, pumpkin. Yeah, but I decided to do it with some yellow rice. I did veggie rice. So in this rice we have our green bean, I have broccoli, I have carrot, and I just add turmeric for the color. But when I tell you, it looks good, it tastes good, everything came out so good. I love this dish, and it's just veggie rice with the veggie, all around veggie, and it tastes good. Like, can you believe it? Okay guys, everything is finished. I have the Calaloo here and the seasoned rice. Yes, I basically put everything in this rice. I was just gonna do regular white rice, then I thought about it and I'm like, okay, I have some veggies in the fridge that need to go. So I put carrot, what else? Carrot, broccoli, and green beans. These string beans, green beans, whatever you call it. And for the color, this is just turmeric. I normally use the yellow food color, but I didn't have any, so turmeric worked fine. And this rice tastes so good because I put Maggi season in it as well. Put one of this in it. Rice tastes good, I ain't gonna lie. Let's eat. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys have access to Calaloo, definitely try it out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.